QSI Stock tomorrow, Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So Quantum SI Incorporated stock analysis, like it's so simple. Like this is specifically for 23rd of December and onward. And I'm seeing like a pretty big decrease in price here. Doesn't mean that much though. Like I know like we're gonna go up and down, right? But I have an upcoming bullish idea potentially. I mean, I've done 33,000 videos, and the way that I would approach this is only long if the price gives me a proper double break. That's it. I mean, that's my confirmation. And guess what? If it doesn't happen, then I will just not move forward. I mean, it's really as simple as that. You know, if this, then that. Kind of logics. And I gotta use logics here. And that's why in the meantime, I will keep waiting, you know, with 3 exclamation marks because it's so important. I kind of misspelled this, but who cares? So if I see signs of bullishness, then I will get involved. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.